Hey everyone, welcome back. Can't log in into your Truist mobile app? Let's fix it step by step. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then, make sure you're entering the correct username and password. Double check while entering your username and password so you don't enter it wrong. After that, head over to your settings and then go to your apps and Truist, then storage clear cache if you're on Android. Now restart the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen. Look for the app, swipe it away, then reopen it. After that, you're going to try logging in again once you have reset it. Then, if you have multi-factor authentication enabled, make sure your code is correct or request a new one. Most login problems are resolved by double checking credentials and refreshing the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.